So I did get that question. Oh, Eric, you gave up on YouTube. Where are you at? What's going on? Well, I don't post a lot, but I'm messing around with this Cobra 148 GTL-B. I saw this on the channel way back. It's been 3 years or something like that. But finally getting around to doing the recap, writing down everything, making a little guide so I know where everything's at. It's very nice to do. I think we're almost on the other side of this bugger. 2 caps to put in, 1 red cap to take out. Then I gotta take this faceplate off because there's another one down there. So, all right, guys. Well, we'll see you in another video soon, hopefully. I got a lot of stuff coming down the pike, a lot of repairs to do. So yeah, it's kind of boring to video me just head buried in radios doing recaps and stuff like that, but I'm out here, I'm out and about, and I'm around. So we'll see you in the next video, hopefully very soon. Eric TechStuffs, wishing you a happy Saturday.